In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the ClickUp pricing plan. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to think about each option so you can pick the plan that fits your team without overspending. Start by heading to the ClickUp website and opening the pricing page from the top navigation. This is your home base for comparing plans, seeing what features are included, and checking the difference between monthly and annual billing. Take a moment to glance at any toggles for billing cycles and the per-user cost, since pricing typically scales with the number of seats you need. First, explore the unlimited plan. Click into it to see the details. This plan is a strong upgrade from the free tier and is often ideal for small teams who need more storage, more dashboards, and a meaningful bump in collaboration features. If you're managing tasks, docs, and simple automations, and you want room to grow without the complexity of enterprise controls, Unlimited is usually the sweet spot. Pay attention to feature limits here, things like automations, views, and guest access, so you're confident the ceilings fit your workload. Next, open the business plan. This tier is built for growing teams that need stronger controls and deeper insights. As you review it, look for capabilities like more advanced reporting, workload and time tracking enhancements, tighter permissions, and more robust automation limits. If you're coordinating across multiple teams, handling more complex projects, or you need reliable analytics for leadership updates, business typically delivers the balance between power and price. Now check out the enterprise plan. This tier is designed for organizations that require advanced security, compliance options, custom roles and permissions, and premium support. If your company has strict governance, SSO requirements, or needs tailored onboarding and admin controls, this is where those capabilities live. It's common for larger teams to evaluate enterprise when scaling operations or aligning with company-wide IT policies. From the pricing page, click on the Cut Costs with ClickUp section. This area helps you understand how consolidating tools can reduce your overall software spend. Review the examples and savings breakdowns to see how features like docs, whiteboards, goals, automations, and reporting can replace multiple separate subscriptions. This perspective is helpful if you're migrating from a stack of different tools and want a realistic view of total cost of ownership. As you compare, match each plan to your team size, feature needs, and near-term growth. If you're unsure, start with the plan that covers today's requirements and gives you headroom for the next quarter. You can always upgrade as your workflows mature and your collaboration needs expand.